Gold moves fast, sometimes too fast. And most beginners lose money trying to scalp gold because they enter too early, exit too late, or simply don't know what to look for. But what if artificial intelligence could help you scalp gold with precision, discipline, and consistency? In this video, I'll show you a beginner-friendly AI scalping strategy for gold that you can start using immediately. No complex math, no coding required, just smart AI-assisted trading. Let's begin. Why gold is perfect for AI scalping. Gold is one of the best instruments for scalping. Why? Because gold has high volatility, clean price movement, frequent trading opportunities, strong reaction to news and sessions. But this same volatility is also dangerous. Gold can move 20, 30, even 50 pips in seconds. That's why AI-assisted scalping gives you an advantage. AI helps you identify high-probability setups, filter bad trades, improve entry timing, reduce emotional trading. And now, let me show you the exact strategy. The AI scalping strategy. Overview. This AI scalping strategy uses three simple components. Component 1, trend direction. Component 2, AI entry signal. Component 3, risk management rules. That's it. No clutter, no confusion, just precision. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, trend identification. First, we identify the trend using two moving averages, 50 EMA, 200 EMA. Here's the rule: buy only when 50 EMA is above 200 EMA. Sell only when 50 EMA is below 200 EMA. This keeps you trading with the market, not against it. AI tools work best when aligned with trend. This alone already filters out many bad trades. Step 2, AI entry signal. Next, we use AI-based signals for entry. You can use AI trading view indicators, AI momentum indicators, smart RSI AI tools, AI trend confirmation tools. The simple rule: wait for AI buy signal and pullback to moving average and trend confirmation, then enter. This improves your entry accuracy significantly. Beginner tip: avoid chasing candles. Wait for pullbacks, then enter. This is where most beginners fail. AI helps you stay disciplined. Step 3, entry rules. Entry rules. Buy. Setup. Trend is bullish. Price pulls back to 50 EMA. AI gives buy signal. Enter after confirmation candle. Sell. Setup. Trend is bearish. Price pulls back to 50 EMA. AI gives sell signal. Enter after confirmation candle. This keeps your scalping structured and repeatable. Step 4. Take profit and AMP. Stop loss. Beginner friendly. Risk management. Stop loss 10 to 20 pips. Take profit 15 to 30 pips. Risk reward minimum £1 and 1.5. Why? Because scalping focuses on small, consistent wins, not big, risky trades. Another powerful tip: use trailing stop. Once trade moves 10 pips in profit, move stop loss to break even. This protects your capital. Professionals protect first, profit second. Best time to scalp gold. Best times to use this strategy: London session, New York session. Avoid low volatility hours, late Asian session, major news spikes. Gold performs best when volume is high. AI signals become more reliable during these sessions. Common beginner mistakes. Avoid these common mistakes: overtrading, ignoring trend, trading during news, using large lot sizes, chasing candles. Even with AI, discipline is still required. AI improves your decision-making, but risk management keeps you profitable. Final summary. AI scalping strategy. Summary. Step 1. Identify trend. Step 2. Wait for AI signal. Step 3. Enter on pullback. Step 4. Manage risk. Step 5. Trade during sessions. Simple, beginner-friendly, powerful. If you want more AI trading strategies for gold, crypto, forex, stocks, subscribe to Coach Ifeanyi Uche. Because here, we don't just trade the market, we master it using AI. Like this video, share with a trader, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you should always trade responsibly.